Hello, fifth old man. Best medium in all of Geometry Dash history. That was my warm-up today. My warm-up was beating Hello Fitzgerald. That was my warm-up. That was my warm-up. But I think the right thing to do is probably to warm up with, Black Blizzard. A level actually relevant to the stream. But yeah, JPGDTMT, you are first, my man. Welcome. And Daring Dan's second. Master Fat Rat is third. Not Daring on my... Oh, yeah, Daring, you're second, bro. D. Snuts? Oh my god, I'm so nervous right now. Oh my god, my heart rate has to be like crazy. Oh no. I died in the transition, no. Oh my god. I got too nervous. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my, I almost beat it, man. I died in the transition because it goes blind. I clicked that way too early. I don't know why I did that. I was feeling good that attempt too.